Allora, today we're gonna work with me on the shooting, okay?
Yes.
We're gonna work on the technique. We will shoot. We will play a 1v1, so it will be an easy and funny game, okay? Just that.
Yes.
Now we're gonna divide. We're gonna split in the orange cone one line, orange cone opposite line. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Then I will give you the ball.
Let's go.
Ready? I'm gonna show you in and out. Lot of touch. On in and out. I touch the ball and I'm ready to shoot on Timon. Okay?
Oh, wow.
Close. Pronto? Bravissimo, bravissimo, concentrato ora sulla porta. Grande, bello, pronto? Loro. Bravissimo. Even closer if you want. Bravo. Nice one. Vai. Bravo. Però che tecnica. Nice one. Lovely technique. Nice. Stop. Please, everyone. We have to look the ground or the field. Why?
Because you gotta aim.
Okay, thank you so much. Big applauso to him. Thank you. Dobbiamo guardare sempre il campo. Cerchiamo di capire dove siamo. We have to understand where the ball is going. Okay? If we don't look with the heads up, how can we understand what's happening close to us? Ok? Di alzare la testa. Try to look up. Bravissimo. Chiudo rapido. Nice qua, bravo. Vai. Bravo. Try to heads up. Nice. Bravissimo.